Welcome back, guys, to Hobbies and Gadgets. Check this out. Looks like a swimming pool area. But let me give you a little look around, guys, what I've been doing. I've been doing a lot of work in here. Check this out. So obviously, starting the shower area. I've got to sand it all down. Just sand these rough edges down. And I'm going to put a bead in so you don't see no screws and stuff like that. This stuff is very, very good. And let me show you a bit of it. And I'll show you how thin it is. Look how thin that is. And it's really, really strong. And it's light. An 8x4 sheet is £40, guys. So if I had done this with vinyl, this would have cost me nearly £80. Plus, obviously I haven't finished it all. As you can see, it's really flimsy. So I've got to put a bead in, a batten along here and along here. And screw it together and then put a, like a bit of ply on each side. But I'm not going to do the back because I want this to be light as possible. And I've done the top. The reason I've done the top, I can't put it all the way down at the minute because it's pinching there. But yeah, I've done the top. And I'm going to put my gas lines in there for my gas cooker I'm thinking about. So you obviously don't see nothing here. I was thinking about putting a sink here, so I have to cut out a hole. But I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to have a floating sink here because that's where my gas bottles are going to go. And as you can see, I'm using my old boiler. Check that out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a tube and, with an elbow and bend it out here. I haven't installed the diesel heater yet, guys, because I've got so much stuff in here. But the diesel heater is going to go underneath there, and I will start that tomorrow. I built a lovely cabinet. Got to put doors in, so I reuse some of my woods. As you can see, my cabinet doors are in there. I don't want no cabinets hanging no more. I still have done the bed at the back. Still put some shelves up though at the back. So, but yeah, I put a railing up there for hanging clothes. Still got loads of stuff in there, loads of junk to be honest. Wired out a few more switches. Where are they? I'll put these ones in there as well. This one's going to be controlling the water boiler because this has got batteries underneath. I'm going to get a 5 amp inverter so I can wire that straight to the 12 volt, but it only brings out 5 volts to the igniter. And the other switch will be for the pump. And to be honest, I can wire up all my water system at the moment, but because I'm waiting for this toilet, because the toilet's got like electric flush and all that on it, I need to see the plumbing parts at the back. Plus, I'm going to have a cassette what goes outside the van. So, obviously, what I'm going to do tomorrow, I'm going to tidy it up, try and get all this and most of this wood done, and then I'm going to install the what's it called, the diesel heater, and put all these electric parts back together. My new TV stand, check that out. That's a 360 degrees, so I can undo the bolts here and I can spin it all the way around. Pretty cool, I like that. So that's my next project. So guys, hopefully you like and enjoy. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, one more thing before I go. I brought what's it called, a fan speed controller. Yeah, that was it, a fan speed controller for this. And it blew up because I think it was a 3 volt one. I didn't read the information, I just bought it because I thought, a fan controller is a fan controller. But I still got my dimmer out here. I'm just looking for a nice awning as well. Look at that, full blast. Yeah. So yeah, guys, and the camera system's doing great on the van. And I had a lot of questions about that camera system actually, and it's doing good. And it's from eBay, guys. People's asked me where I bought it from. It's from eBay. I can't remember the make. I will drop the make in there in the comments. But yeah, guys, everything else is good. So I'm just trying to reorganize everything now. I need to put my oven somewhere, and I think it's going to be underneath the bed somewhere because I want to get one of those 3-watt pull out. I'm going to put it on a pull out trolley, and that's about it, guys. So now Hobbies and Gadgets is signing out. Peace.